Hello everyone, I'm Rocky and in this session I'm going to tell you the question of the year 2009 which came in IIT JEE Advanced. So let's see what's the question, and the chapter is solid state. So the question is, which of the following statements regarding defects in solid is or are correct? Number 1. Frankel defect is usually favored by a very small difference in the sizes of cation and anion. Totally wrong, as because Frankel defect is usually favored by a large difference in the sizes of cation and anion. Correct? Coming to the next point, Frankel defect is a dislocation defect. Absolutely correct. See, in Frankel defect, certain ions, most oftenly and most probably the cations, they just miss their lattice point, या फिर कहिए वो अपने lattice point में नहीं होते हैं, वो lattice point से slip होकर इंटरस्टिशियल साइट्स में आ जाते हैं, लेकिन स्टोइचियोमेट्री मेंटेन रहती है. ठीक है. सो इन फ्रैंकल इफेक्ट some of the cations are missing from their lattice point. They are in the interstitial sites, maintaining the stoichiometry of the crystal. So Frankel defect is a dislocation defect. It is the correct option. Coming to the next option, trapping of an electron in the lattice leads to the formation of F centers. F centers means far base centers. It is also the correct option, as because you know about metal excess defect. See, in metal excess defect, anion vacancies are there. That means anions are missing from their lattice point, and so those anion vacancies are occupied by electrons. So when electrons occupy those lattice vacancies, those lattice points vacancies, they just impart color to the crystal. For example, when NaCl crystal is heated with sodium vapors, what happens? Electrons do occupy the lattice point, and hence they impart the color to the crystals. So that color which has been imparted to the crystals is just because of the F centers. That means far base centers. So trapping of an electron in the lattice points lead to the formation of F centers. Correct option. Schottky defect have no effect on the physical properties of solid. It is the wrong option. So two correct options are there, B and C, and this is about the solution of the question. It is me, Raki, saying you all now goodbye.